Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp tutorial how to Boolean. So if you want to Boolean in SketchUp, we can use the Intersect tools. As example, I will create a rectangle and use Pose tools to convert into 3D. Make a group, these objects. Create against another object, rectangle. Use Pull tools and then make a group these objects. Now we can move the objects like this and then move to the top a bit. Now if you want to Booleans, like you want to add these two objects, you can use the intersect tools. You can explode the objects and then you can select the two objects, right click, click intersect face and then click with model. So these all objects will be automatically combined. You can convert against into group. Or if you want to subtract, you can select, like I will delete in the stop objects like this, and we select again these objects to delete. The next we can select the face and then you can use the reverse face. So it will be subtract the objects. If you want to intersect, you only delete the outside objects like this, and it will be set for the intersects with the intersect tools. Okay, that's it for a basic SketchUp tutorial how to Boolean. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.